This creamy tarragon chicken in white wine sauce is sure to impress, and it is so easy to make. Let me show you how easy. We're going to start out with some chicken breasts. You can use 2 to 4 chicken breasts. We're just going to season them with some salt and pepper to begin with, and then we're going to add them to a skillet and let them brown on both sides. While your chicken is cooking, chop up some fresh tarragon, garlic, and shallots. When your chicken has browned, remove it from the skillet. It doesn't matter if it's cooked all the way through or not. It will finish cooking later. Now to that same skillet, we're going to add our shallots. We're going to season with some salt, and we're going to let that cook through until it's tender. Then go in with your garlic and let the garlic cook until it is fragrant for about 30 seconds. Now we're going to stir in some white wine, and we're going to let that cook until the alcohol reduces down. Once it does, go in with some chicken broth, and we're going to let it cook for a few minutes. And then we're going to add in our fresh tarragon, and then we're going to stir in some heavy cream. Once that simmers for about 3 to 5 minutes, we're going to return our chicken back to the skillet, and make sure you put those juices in. Spoon some of that delicious sauce over the chicken, cover, and we're going to let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes until that sauce thickens. I served mine with some homemade mashed potatoes. It's absolutely delicious, creamy and comforting. I promise you guys, you're going to be amazed at how easy and delicious this recipe is. Serve it up by spooning some of that delicious sauce over your mashed potatoes or rice or even pasta. For this full recipe, click the link in my profile or visit sincerelylegenia.com.